Good morning, it's Wednesday the 16th of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro rebounds as Asian stocks jump. The euro rebounds against the dollar during yesterday's US session as risk appetite slightly recovers. Japanese stocks edge higher and demand for riskier assets rise. The nuclear crisis in Japan knocked the euro as low as 138.54 yesterday, but the single currency managed to recover its losses and climb as high as 140.12. During the Asian session, rating agency Moody's downgraded Portugal's debt slightly, weakening the euro, but the euro's decline was limited as investors are focusing on EU's new rescue package and rate hike expectations. After Portugal's downgrade, the single currency rose to trade as high as 140. Today's consumer price index in Europe is expected to reveal a 0.4% gain. An increase above the expected figure may further support the euro. During yesterday's policy meeting, the Fed decided to keep interest rates and its asset buying scheme unchanged. The FOMC statement revealed a slightly more hawkish stance, saying that the country's economy is improving. Fed officials did not make any comments on the recent developments in Japan and Middle East, but they said that inflation is being closely watched. The Japanese yen climbed against its major counterparts as the Japanese seek to liquidate their assets for reconstruction. As the nuclear crisis in Japan grows, investors buy the yen expecting a repatriation of funds. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar broke below the 81 level, sliding as low as 80.59 from 82.03. The euro also fell against the yen, falling as low as 111.95 yesterday from 114.65. The Australian dollar dropped against the greenback as demand for high-yielding assets is low. Yesterday, the Aussie fell well below parity, sliding to 0.9813 from 1.0096. Later, the Aussie strengthens, supported by a rise in world equities and a slightly improved risk sentiment, jumping to 0.9963. Oil prices continue to fall, edging below $96.20 a barrel from $101.31 trading yesterday. Gold prices also plummeted on Japan's nuclear crisis. The precious metal dipped to $1,380.69 an ounce from $1,425.91. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 139.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 139.35. The dollar yen pivot point is at 81.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.20. Today's calendar and market movers: UK unemployment rate in January is forecast to remain unchanged at 7.9%. Europe consumer price index in February is forecast to gain 0.4%, and US housing starts in February is forecast to fall to 575,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday with the SP 500 down 1.12% and the Dow remained unchanged. European bourses were also negative with the FTSE down 1.38%, the DAX was down 3.19% and the CAC was down 2.51%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 5.68% and the Hang Seng was down 0.06%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.